If we are to go by early indications, the 100-meter hurdles will be a hotly contested affair at the Jamaica National Trials in 2022. The World Athletic Championships rules state that there is a maximum of 3 athletes per country in individual events, so only 3 can qualify. Several Jamaican athletes have been running at indoor meets in the early part of the year. Although the 60-meter hurdles is not the same race as the 100-meter hurdles, we can kind of use it as a gauge and tell how well the ladies are doing at this point in the season, even though it's still early. So we'll be looking at the top 6 Jamaican female sprint hurdlers up to the point of the video being released. We will also look at their personal bests. First, we have the 2015 world champion in the 100-meter hurdles, Danielle Williams. She has a personal best of 12.32 seconds in the 100-meter hurdles, set in London in 2019, and this is also the Jamaica national record. For the year 2022 in the 60-meter hurdles, she is number 1 with a world leading time of 7.75. Britany Anderson ran 7.82 in Louisville, Kentucky on the 12th of February. This sees her with the 4th fastest time globally in the 60 meters hurdles. The 7.82 is shared with American Gabrielle Cunningham. Now, Britney's personal best in the 100-meter hurdles is 12.40. Third, we have the 2021 World Athletics Under-20 champion in the 100-meter hurdles, Ackera Nugent. She finished first at the Sports Performance Center in Lubbock, Texas, where she ran a 60-meter hurdles race in 7.89, which sees her ranked number 9 fastest time in the 60-meter hurdles this year. The 100-meter hurdles, her personal best is 12.76. Number 4 on the list is Demisha Roswell with 8 seconds flat, which makes her the 4th ranked Jamaican and number 28 on the world stage. So she's the 4th fastest Jamaican, but number 28 on the world stage. Her personal best in the 100 meters is only 13.17. Next we have Daze Fraser, who ran 8.2 on the 26th of February in Texas, USA. Her time sees her ranked number 32, and her PB in the 100-meter hurdles is 12.82. Then we have in 6th Megan Tapper, Olympic bronze medalist. Her personal best in the 100-meter hurdles is 12.53, set in Tokyo in 2021. So far, she has only recorded one indoor 60-meter time, which is 8.06, which gives her the 40th rank in terms of times this season. So now that we have taken all this information on board, the question we find ourselves asking is who will come out on top at the national trials. Remember, only 3 can go. With that in mind, we asked friend of the channel and track and field enthusiast Richard Stevens for his thoughts.
Well, in my opinion, the Jamaican team is a hotbed of talent. The strength is deep, and it will need to be of the highest order to stand a chance of medaling, standing on the podium in Eugene, Oregon for those World Outdoor Championships. But the hotter the fire, well, the stronger the competitor that comes out. To pick 3, a difficult selection, but a selection I will make. Danielle Williams, a class act. She's been there, done it before. She's seen and experienced the heights and the lows of competition. She's now happier, as she has admitted herself. She's in fine indoor form, and I think she can translate that form to her outdoor performances. She is a top performer, looks strong, is talking a good game, and I expect her, hurdles permitting, and no hitches, to be on the plate for Eugene, Oregon. Danielle Williams is my first choice. My second choice for the 100 meters hurdles, women's Jamaican national team. Britany Anderson. Britany Anderson would be my second pick. She is on the up. She was a bit of an unknown quantity in the Tokyo Olympics of 2020, and that 12.4, yes, 12.4 second run in the semi-finals shook not only us as viewers, but it shook her up, and that was the key, because in the final, having run 12.4, I mean, you'd be expected to chase down the likes of Camilla Quinn, and while Quinn took gold, Anderson came a cropper, so it was a tricky one in the final, and she had difficulty coming to terms with her own speed. But I think she has come through this season as a stellar performer, a stronger performer, has learned from her lessons, and she's got all the attributes, the power, the sheer speed, the determination, and the concentration required, and above all, the confidence to get the job done. So Britany Anderson would be my second pick for the Jamaica national 100 meters women's hurdles team. The third pick, it's a tough one, but I'd be going for Megan Dapper. Yes, that will-o'-the-wisp who claimed Tokyo bronze in outstanding fashion. I think that she is a real breath of fresh air. She really is a stellar competitor that has a deep faith in God, and maybe that will stand her in particularly good stead. She happens to be very handy over the hurdles as well.
Now, as far as qualification goes, barring any injuries or mishaps that often happen in sprint hurdle races, Danielle Williams and Britany Anderson should take the top 2 spots in my opinion. However, the third spot is not so certain. Megan Tapper should be the favourite with the better PB. However, Ackera Nugent will mount a strong challenge, and I believe she is capable of upsetting the apple cart. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Let me know your opinion in the comment section. Just some food for thought and something to look out for at the national trials. Also, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.